Today I'm going to talk to you about a client I helped in a difficult situation. So we had a couple of first-time buyers, one in the late 30s, one in the early 40s, absolutely desperate to get on the housing ladder. So today I'm going to talk about their circumstances and show you how I help them achieve their goals. Welcome to Mortgage Monday. So the couple I've helped recently are a couple, they've got a young son and they're absolutely desperate to get onto the housing ladder. So they're in rented accommodation and they have managed to scrape together a 5% deposit. So the main hurdle we had to get over was that Mrs. had only just completed 1 year's accounts as a limited company director. So she'd been doing the same role for around 13 years, so really good experience in the industry. But the majority of mortgage lenders, whether it's 5% deposit, 10%, 20%, they'll always want 2 years accounts. So luckily, we managed to find a lender that was happy to accept just the 1 year's accounts because she had such a good track record in the industry. So the other hurdle we had to get over was just having the 5% deposit. So there are lenders out there that will take a 5% deposit. The rates of interest are that little bit higher because there's more risk to the bank, and the higher the deposit is, the more flexible lenders can be with the underwriting. In this instance, we managed to get a lender that was happy with 5% deposit and also just the 1 year's accounts as well. So we looked at the client's circumstances, took everything into account, submitted the mortgage application to the Halifax, and within 2 weeks we actually had the mortgage offer in place, which was absolutely fantastic. So this couple, they're in a difficult situation with the small deposit, the limited number of accounts available, and they didn't think it was possible to actually get a mortgage. So to be able to pull this off, here at Edison Wells, we make the impossible possible. So if you find yourself in a similar situation, you think you've got no chance of getting a mortgage, it may be possible. So if you're in a similar set of circumstances, comment below with your situation, inbox me, I'm always happy to help. And if you'd like any more free financing tips on mortgages, follow me on LinkedIn, subscribe to YouTube, and I'll see you next week for Mortgage Monday.